હું ગૌતમ તપોધન અમદાવાદ દૂરદર્શન કેન્દ્ર પર છેલ્લા 25 વર્ષથી ચીફ મેકઅપ આર્ટિસ્ટ તરીકે કામ કરું છું. હિરેન સર એકેડેમીનું નામ સાંભળ્યું પ્રથમ મુલાકાતની અંદર જ મને પ્રથમ સ્પર્શ પણ એવો થઈ ગયો કે મારો દીકરો અહીં ભણશે. મારો દીકરો સર્જક તપોધન સાયન્સની ફેકલ્ટીમાં જવાનું વિચાર્યું ત્યારે મને એમ થયું કે એ કેવી રીતે ભણશે. આ એકેડેમીમાં આવ્યા પછી હિરેન સર સાથે પ્રત્યક્ષ વાત કરી ત્યારે એમ થઈ ગયું કે ગુરુ આવા જ હોવા જોઈએ અને મારો દીકરો અહીં જ ભણશે. 100% રિઝલ્ટ નહીં પણ 1,00,000% રિઝલ્ટ જેનો હું સાક્ષી છું. મારો દીકરો સ્કૂલમાં ભણે છે, સાથે સાથે ટ્યુશનમાં પણ ભણે છે. બેનું ડિફરન્ટ મને એના રિઝલ્ટ પરથી ખબર પડી કે સ્કૂલ અને ટ્યુશનમાં કેટલો ફેર છે. સ્કૂલમાં ભણે બાળકો ઘણા હોય, સંખ્યા વધુ હોય. ટ્યુશનમાં સંખ્યા ઓછી હોય. શિક્ષક ટ્યુશનમાં પૂરતું ધ્યાન આપે, દરેક બાળક પોતાનું છે એ રીતે ભણાવે. અને શિક્ષકની એક ખાસિયત છે આ એકેડેમીમાં કે ઉચ્ચ કોટીના શિક્ષકો અહીંયા કામ કરી રહ્યા છે. બાળકોની સાથે સાથે એક માત્ર અભ્યાસ નહીં પરંતુ જ્ઞાન સાથે ગમત બંને વસ્તુ સાથે. મારો દીકરો આજે ટ્યુશનમાં એક દિવસ પણ રજા નથી પાડતો. સ્કૂલમાં કદાચ એવું થઈ ગયા એમ કે કદાચ આજે નહીં જવું તો ચાલશે, પણ ટ્યુશનમાં અચૂક હાજર રહે. મારે સામાજિક ઘરનું કંઈ પણ કામ હોય તો એની ગેરહાજરી અમારી સાથે રહે છે, પણ ટ્યુશનમાં ગેરહાજરી નથી રહેતો. ખૂબ જ સારી પ્રગતિ કરી છે. એકેડેમીને મારી ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભેચ્છાઓ. ને હિરેન સર બોપલમાં જ નહીં પણ અમદાવાદમાં બહુ મોટું નામ છે તેમનું. હું એમનું ખૂબ 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 શુભેચ્છા પાઠવું છું.
Laksha Sangvi, I'm Krathan Sangvi's mother. My son Krathan studies in DPS school in grade 10. I came to know about this institute from his friends in our society, like Prakriti and all. And my overall experience for almost 1 year has been excellent. His clarity, his sincerity, and his speed specifically has increased tremendously. And he seems to be working on constantly every day. So I'm really happy. And being a teacher, I was against tuitions, but seeing the results and the extra edge that this institute provides, I feel it's really good, especially when a child starts from grade 9 going to tuitions and all. I think this will definitely help him in his career later on.
Yeah, good morning. I'm Ashik Modi speaking. Actually, I'm a lecturer in RC Polytechnic at SG Highway, which is opposite to High Court. I am a lecturer in electrical engineering department. My child Rutvik Modi is coming here and he is in standard 8th and he is in SNG, that is Sri Narayana Guru Vidyalaya, opposite to ISRO satellite. So he is coming here in Hiren Sir's academy, but before he came here we did some survey and I found Hiren Sir's academy is the best in this area. Why? Because I got the feedback from the students and parents from the previous years, and also I got some advertisement also, and I also asked to my colleagues and they also gave me positive feedback. Then I came to meet Hiren Sir and came to know about the institute and the teaching methodology and everything, and I found it is very best suited with this era. So I decided to put my child over here and he is very happy. He has gained more self-confidence. He is very motivated and very inspired, and I am really very happy with the Hiren Sir's Academy, and I will continue my child up to 12 and onwards also.
Yeah, Ramesh Mahant. I am a father of Krunalji Mahant, who is studying in 10th standard now. I am basically an engineer, mechanical engineer. I am working at engineering engineering company called Phoenix Construction Technology. We are making steel structures there. I'm assistant vice president there. My child, Krunal, as I am an engineer, I am very much focused on him, and I think he is also focused on very much on subjects like science and maths. He is right now studying in DPS in the 10th standard. His favorite subject is science, but I found that when he was in DPS up to 9th, he was very much weak in maths, particularly the silly mistakes students make generally. So he was very weak there, and whenever I used to find some time to sit with him, understand what he is going through, I found he was knowing everything but still doing mistakes. So I thought that let me put him in Hirinsar's Academy and let me check whether by more practice and more focus by somebody else also he will improve his skills on science and maths, which I found after joining Hirinsar's Academy. Maybe he joined somewhere in October, so he has just completed 3-4 months here, but I have seen his skill growing up very fast. His maths has improved a lot. He is now very confident in doing maths, not making many mistakes. Science also, I am finding his basics are very sharp now, and just in 3-4 months I am seeing the results are excellent. So I would recommend Hirinsar's Academy for every child who is really needing some focus, extra focus in his subjects like science and maths. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. My name is K.K. Pandey. I'm staying at Bhopal. I'm working with this organization which is outsourcing manpower in various cities in Gujarat, Rajasthan, MP and Maharashtra. My child's name is Shekhar Pandey, and he is a student of Global Mission International School, Bhopal. I am here to give a brief idea about Hirinsar Academy. Actually, we came to know about this academy as my daughter has just cleared her BCA, was earlier the student of Hirinsar. And about the pattern of the studies at Hirinsar Academy is very excellent. So, as my son is in 9th, I thought of placing him to this academy, as I knew that his way of making a student come up with the exam fear is very good. They are conducting exams in every weeks and months, so that the student come out with the fear of exams. Secondly, the classes are well equipped, having all facilities. I am also getting an SMS on my mobile if the child is not attending his classes. I am also getting the exams, how he has done exams, what are the marks he is getting. So it's very great that I am a part of this academy, as presently nowadays the parents are very much taking care of the student, that they should be getting their term revised after the schools. So I feel this academy would be one of the best, or rather best, as far as my experience. Thank you.